crazy winds right now, guys. I can't even. The water's blowing back on me. Got some crazy winds. It's like 7:15 in the morning here in South Carolina. Strongest of the winds are going to be between now and I think at least the next 3 hours. (25 to 30, 35 mile per hour wind gusts. Higher gusts possible up to 40, 45, maybe even 50. We've had a few really strong wind gusts, and I can estimate to say they're at least about, I want to say about 20 to 35 mile per hour, or 40 something at least. May have been higher. I mean, it even was shaking and rumbling the house as I was inside. Trying to stand back, guys. I mean, there it is. Yeah, but the wind is up, guys. Sorry if my camera is shaking a little. Sorry for the shaking. I'm trying to hold it with one hand.